What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And today, we turning brown coat up. We turning brown coat up, man. That's what the video about. We turning brown coat up, cause I thought about it. I said, I ain't gave y'all some of that tie smoke on camera yet. I done did it myself, obviously, but I said I ain't never got on camera, man. So, say I got wife out here, man. We finna head. She gonna ride with me, be my camera person. And I'm finna go to Mexico. And we finna boom, boom, bam, thank you, ma'am, man. That's what's going on. That's what we about to do. So, yeah, man, and I'm gonna pull RnB out too, man. Cause I said, man, I got them already uncovered, man. I done moved them and everything. Y'all done missed the cold start and all of that, the camshaft action and boop it. Wow. Hey, y'all done missed all of that. But man, I'm gonna crank up old Rhythm and Blues. She looking so pretty out there, and she ain't even been washed. She ain't even been washed, man. I'm gonna get a car wash day, man. I'm gonna wash all these cars, man. I might take them somewhere and get them washed and all that. All that water came out the bed. Look, I told you them car covers is awesome. All that came out the bed cover, man. I just dumped all that out. So Rhythm and Blues, she looking so pretty. So pretty. So you know, yes indeed, we're gonna pull old Rhythm and Blues out. I ought to just drive that thing to town, man. I ought to go to town in it, turn around. She's so pretty. So and y'all said, man, I been neglecting her for real. I ain't crunked the car up, man. I've been neglecting her for real. My boy Meat sitting over there with a big mountain motor, not a mountain motor, but sitting over there with the big block on the hood. I ain't just done forgot about Meats. Just how it be, man, when I get close to finishing up. But we wrapped up John Jones and Big Dolo about wrapped up. Got new nitrous kit coming tomorrow. Got parts just came in too, so I gotta show y'all that. See if she all crank up. See if she crank up. Long intro in it, y'all. I'm gonna cut y'all off, cut y'all back on. The intro is extended. Alright, so we're in Rhythm and Blues, man. Rhythm and Blues rock. Thing here gotta get warmed up. Music trying to come on. Trying to get me a copyright. Man, that spark plug wire. I say that thing here running funny. Y'all can hear it. It running funny. That spark, man. I'm gonna tell you how I ain't even drove, man. I ain't the spark plug wire. I ain't even fixed it. I ain't even fixed the spark plug wire yet. Man, let me get this thing out. Yeah, she don't even want to stay crunk. I need to check her over. Yeah, she's skipping. She's skipping. Need to change that wire, man. Bad spark plug wire. I already know which one it is. I already know which one it is and I got the boot. But she'll ride. She'll ride. Look, she don't stay crunk. Might need to check my back hoses and stuff. I need to do a little check over. I gotta check John Jones out too. We gotta check that fan out. So I'm gonna back this thing up, y'all. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, look, man. We took our fin and turn up, y'all. I told you, I thought about it. I said, I ain't never turned the truck up in the road on video. I done did it, but in the road. And little wifey like to throw the water. She like to throw her in the water. Look, I told these tires good and sticky now. Good and hot. So let's see. We can launch. Like, oh no. Nah, they ain't. We will spin it. They ain't sticky enough. Oh look, man, we going back to the house, y'all. Alright, y'all. Y'all see, man. Man, old RnB right now. There it is. Supercharged wine in a minute, boy. You know, RnB, man. This the cruiser though. This thing here so much slower, it ain't even funny. But she ride good though. I'm talking about smooth and everything, man. This should go to the grocery store and everything car right here. Ain't all that radical noise and stuff, man. I'm telling you, it's a good balance of having a good balance of cars. It's good to have a good balance of cars in your fleet, I say that, man. So you get in there quiet and here, man. You got all the crazy stuff. Got a little ump in it. Yeah, skip it. Need to check out, tune on up, man. I know I need to get that wire off there. But yeah, man. We're gonna ride a little bit. Then y'all know we got to turn up, man. Y'all can get 2 turn-ups in one day. Y'all in for a treat today, you what I do. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all just got back from busting a block. Had to hurry up and go see about Tina, man. So when I got here, she crying. Tina done fell in there, man. She alright though. But got back from driving old Rhythm and Blue. Yeah, she need some seeing about. Like I said, it got a little skip to it. But it's alright. Even if it's something major, I ain't worried about it, cause we finna remix it anyway. I ain't even worried about it. People gonna be understanding you this and that. I'm like, bro, it's a business at the end of the day. Like, I do it. I mean, I'm blessed. I'm blessed that I can do what I love, boy. It smell like straight rubbing hook, but I turn that thing up, y'all. Y'all seen this, but y'all got 2 of them in one day, boy. I turn that thing up. That was for all the weeks I ain't drove. But people like, you tearing this up, this and that. And I'm like, man, bro, I ain't even have to slam it like that. I'm 8 and tired. But I'm like, man, end of the day, man, I deduct all this stuff. When I buy it, I have to. I have to buy stuff, man. Like, that's the belly of the beast. I mean, I have to buy stuff. So I don't be tripping. That's why I don't trip when something tilt like that, man. I mean, only thing it be is just be like, all right, well, it's some time. It's some time, but I don't trip when it tilt or something. I'm like, man, I just gotta fix it. Take life like that. So I'm finna get brown coat put up and get RnB covered back up, and then I'm gonna show y'all the part that came in. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, got everything put up. Too hot out there, man. I'll be out there going in for y'all, man, getting the footage. Getting the footage for y'all, man. Give y'all something to watch every day. I know I was a little late yesterday. I thought I had the video scheduled, man. I ain't even have it scheduled. So y'all got a late upload yesterday, but it's all good. If you caught it, cool. If you didn't, catch it later. Appreciate you. But show y'all what we got. And this, of course, naturally a Summit box. Everything Summit. Boom. There it is. So got everything we need now for the fans. The fan, I should say. I said the fans. I need to get another one. I need to buy 2 of them. If I have to add another one, I add another one. But that one right there, fine. But or I use that one and the one that's on there. I mix match and get the job done. Instead of running 2 the Rileys. Only thing I need, I just thought about it, I gotta get a battery cable. Got to get a battery cable for this, I don't have now. I'm trying to think, the battery cable on there might be big. Gotta have a bigger battery cable. I mean, cable on the back of the alternator. Ooh, that thing pretty. It's 150 amp. 150 amp. Yeah, man, my guy, I don't know his name on here that be commenting all the time. Wanted me to find him a 350 amp alternator. Hey, man, I ain't had no luck. I don't know, man. So if anybody in the comment section know somebody, man, that can. Let me keep this in the box so I don't get them mixed up. Cause I got one over there for me. But if anybody knows somebody that can build a 150 amp alternator, hey man, come in and let me know. Cause I don't know, man. I ain't found nobody. I had told him to go to Summit. He said he went. No luck. So I don't know, man. I looked around and I asked around. I don't know nobody. At that point you getting like a generator. I mean, alternator ain't nothing but a generator, but man, like you need somebody sell 350 amp. That's a lot, man. But I don't know if somebody know. It just made me think about it, cause he always asks me in the comment. I can't think of his name on it. So yeah, man. Like I said, good day. We pulled RnB out. I listened to y'all. Y'all said y'all want to see RnB, man. I pulled RnB out today. I ain't never. I gave y'all 2 turn-ups in one video. Turned RnB up, drove it around a little bit, but it's too hot. They want to swing so much, man. Ain't no AC in it. And let me think. Crazy thing is, AC is out for the truck now. It ain't happening for the truck, but RnB, I should have been put AC on that car. All I gotta do is put Freon in it, literally. Freon, a condenser. That's what it is. The condenser. I haven't bought a condenser for it. They took condenser out. I don't know why. But I buy a condenser and put the Freon in it, and that thing there had AC on it. And I think after I go, well, I ain't no think, I know. After I go to the track this week with Dolo and run Dolo, I'ma take the race wheels off and I'ma drive it. I'm gonna drive it to the shop, a shop I know, and I'm gonna get some AC lines made. Cause I need to put AC on it. I got everything for it, brand new. All I gotta do is have the lines custom made, and then charge the system up and plug the wire from the compressor to the existing wire that's on the hood. And I have AC. Yes, Dolo gonna have AC. It already turned the compressor. The belt turned the compressor already. It just, when you get ready to run, turn it off, man. It won't rob you of no power. But while I'm cruising, I'm finna have that thing blowing snowballs. I told people everything I'm gonna do. Horsepower and snowballs. It can be done. Just spend the money right. So that's what's going on, man. We're gonna do that. We're gonna have that coming up soon. Y'all gonna see Big Dolo with AC blowing snowballs. Then the windows ain't never coming down. It gonna burn a lot of gas now, cause it burned a lot of gas already. It gonna burn a lot of gas. That truck burn a lot of gas, but it is what it is, man. I keep a full tank. So y'all got to see brown coat turned up. We turned RnB up today. Same vlog. I don't know what I'm dropping next, man. I've been shooting multiple videos for y'all. The last few days I've been shooting multiple videos cause Storm's supposed to come in today. I'm gonna try to shoot another one for y'all, depending on how the storm go. So you know, I still gotta check out at this time. I don't know what video I done dropped to y'all, but at this time I still gotta check the fan situation out with John Jones, which I might. Nah, it's supposed to rain. It's too hot right now, so I might check it out in a little bit, but it's too hot. I hope a wire just done drop loose and that's it. But yeah, man, y'all just stay tuned. We got action coming all through. We got action coming all through the next few videos, man. Coming, y'all see we making moves, man. See, y'all see move being made on brown coat, wifey car, everything. So I'm coming with it, man. I'm coming with it. Then I'm gonna come out. We gonna come out, man. We gonna start stepping out more. So they ain't gonna be all the way complete, cause Big Dolo ain't gonna be painting all that. So you know it ain't gonna be all the way complete, but gonna start stepping out, man. Cause people wanna see the cars and all that. Some people wanna race. Some people want clout. It is what it is, man. And thing with clout, if you want clout, say you want clout, man. Like a man's ego and pride is serious. I'm saying a man, called a woman's ego and pride ain't as serious as a male, man. Like for real, it take. I done been put mine to the side, but it took some work. Like it takes some work as a man to put your ego to the side. Man, me and wife were talking about that earlier today. Like we was talking about, cause she was saying that anybody that come up to me and speak or take pictures or whatever, man, like, it say something about them. And she right, it do. It say something about them, man. Like, I got a lot of respect for people that come up to me and just speak like, Jay, just give words of encouragement on doing your thing, man, or take pictures and stuff. Cause to me, they done learn to set their ego and pride to the side. Cause it's a lot of people watch different people, or they support different celebrities, but they won't come up to them, even though they big supporters. They won't speak to them or come up to them cause they don't want to look like a groupie. And I used to think like that when I was younger. I mean, I'm 35, I'll be 36 now, September, but I used to think like that when I was younger, man. Like, man, I ain't trying to sound like no groupie, but at the end of the day, when you put your ego to the side, it's just being real, man. Like, you support that person, they doing good stuff, tell them they doing good stuff. Like, whether they younger than you or not, I ain't got no problem. I love uplifting people, man, telling people like, hey, man, you motivate the hell out of me. Like, that's why I say I got a lot of respect for people that not just come up to me, just anybody. Cause that just says a lot. Like, ain't no ego involved, man. And just, you know, I salute people like that for real. Like, and it make people like me, it make my day. It really make my day. It make me feel good. Cause like, damn, somebody think enough of you to where they want to take a picture with you, or they want to come up to you and tell you tell you good job. Like, I was at the track the past weekend. And the guy came, man, he came all the way over. I didn't know he walked over there, cause I parked pretty much on the outside of the track. Technically at Middle Georgia, then you go around. And he came, me and the family was on the tent eating. He came, man, spoke to me, said some positive word, man. We took a picture, wanted to take a picture. And then I looked up, I seen him walking back across. I was like, damn. I told wife, I said, man, he walked all the way over here to speak to me. That made my day, man. No lie, that made my day, man. I said, that jump make you feel good. And then especially when you got people younger than you, your same age and older than you, come up telling you doing your thing. Like, I was at Headhunters, man, older guy, he was older than me. You know, he said he was talking about how he loved the way I speak and the way I move and stuff. And he was telling me how he turned his life around and stuff, man. And I love hearing it. Like, I just soak it in. And I know sometimes people talk to me like, and I don't say much, but it's because I'm soaking it in, man. I listen more than I speak. You got two ears and one mouth for a reason. I listen more than I speak, man. And when somebody taking the time out their day to try to tell you something, you listen to it. That's what I do. I'm just that humble. I don't care who got what I got or what they got. I take the time to listen, man. Cause I'm like, this man or woman took the time out their day to come speak to me and tell me a message, some words of encouragement, or share their story. I'ma listen. It ain't that I'm trying to tune out. I'm tuned in. I'm listening. So yeah, that's it, man. That's it. So it's hot, man. I'm about to go in the house and all that and get out this shirt, man. I change shirt about 2 times a day. And I'll get ready for tomorrow, man. So BCG, catch y'all tomorrow. Yeah.